You believe say for this your generation, love still there exists?
Yes, of course.
I've experienced it.
I don't think so.
I think so.
Yes.
Probably sure.
It depends on the kind of person you meet and the kind of environment you are in.
Some girls don't even date for love, some date for money, and some guys now they date for sex.
You go know say na the street of Lagos now we don't position. So what be that thing wey be say you don't do because of love?
Nothing, no.
You never do anything for love.
Nothing.
Spent my entire salary that month on babe.
This generation 2 days fast forward.
You gonna explain tire?
When I'm supposed to be sleeping, I'm talking to the person.
I think everything I've done is ordinary.
I've not actually done it.
I've not done anything crazy for love.
It'll be that time where I travel another states. And I don't tell anybody say I dey go.
I don't see it though.
I don't send woman go school. No be one. I don't send more than 2 women go school.
How much be the highest so you don't give man?
Me, I will not lie. I don't really give man.
But how much be the highest?
5,000 naira.